There. Okay. Hello, everybody. Um, Welcome. I hope you have a great semester. And I'm sorry it took me so long to get with y'all, but I'm Professor Migala, and I will be your instructor or your mentor or assistant throughout this whole thing. What I want to show you is when you get on to Brightspace, the D2L, if you look at, okay, you have the homework assignments here in the My Lab. Oop, not there. My Lab links. Yeah, right there. And you look over here for homeworks, quizzes, and tests, or all assignments. It's loading up. And you see here, like on all the exams, you have 6 tries in the practice exams. Oh, if you need more, don't worry about it. Just tell me, send me a message, and I will increase these to however you need. So, and again, I don't I want you to get to the best score possible, and also that don't cheat. It's because when you're teaching in front of a classroom and a student asks you a question, you don't want to get stuck saying, I don't know. So learn this stuff, and if you think you can do better, keep on trying to take these tests. The homework assignments are supposed to have infinite number of tries to get the best score possible. So that's the homework assignments, and everything is due on December 7th by 11:59 p.m. So the dates on the syllabus are simply a guide to keep you on course, on pace to finish up the semester by the December 7th, 11th, Um, in the syllabus, I know it says take the practice test and I mean the syllabus test and remind tests. Those didn't transfer over when I migrated everything from Blackboard to this, so it's not to worry about it. If you just send me a message, then on Remind, I'll give you hundreds for both of those. So don't worry about that. Now, more importantly, if you look at way down here under course notes and videos, if you click that, okay, here you have the information, but down here, this is the lecture and solution notes and videos for the entire course. So if you click there in the notes and videos, it's going to take you to all the chapters. Let's say look at chapter 5. And here you'll see you have the lecture and solutions, the notes and the videos. So basically what I did on these, I figured it was much easier to combine the lectures in each with the homework assignments because each assignment was its own little mini lecture. So that's what you have here. Everything you need is right there. You, if you click the lecture notes, you'll have a PDF version of the notes. And this is the homework assignment. And it shows you the step-by-step of how to do it all. And again, to go with that, you have the videos. So you see, it'll walk you through everything and explain it step by step by step. So, and that should help the most more than anything, those things. Here we have the ancient math systems from Egypt, from Babylonia, for the Mayans, the Romans. So I go through as videos just of those systems. So that's going to help a lot. So if you get stuck, you don't understand, just watch those videos and I'll walk you through step by step by step all the way through. Let me see what else. Oh, the final exam. I will have to look that up a little later. But the final exam we don't have. What we do have is a project, end of the semester project. And the project is simply going to be a short 3 to 5 minute video of how you would teach your class. That you have a class of students. How would you would teach them to, if we went back into another COVID scenario? In other words, if everybody went back online, how would you instruct your students in whatever grade, whatever topic you choose? The topic is anything we cover this semester. So from chapter 1 to chapter 8, any topic in there, you can pick anything you want and just be creative. Have fun with it. Remember, these are kids. You have to captivate them. You have to catch their interest and make it a game, make it fun. So that's what the final project's going to be. And that's due by, again, December 7th at midnight. So again, I will send you all the rubric for that and everything. I could have sworn it was on here already, but I will send it to you. Uh, but yeah, the best way, and I do apologize. I know a lot of y'all have been sending me messages to remind, and I've just been so swamped because I'm in a couple of committees and we're redesigning the whole school system, and I'm in there. So, and I'm also been tasked to create little webinars for instructors on how to integrate technology into their classrooms. So I've just been, I apologize. I've been swamped with that. So, but once I get my feet back on the ground, which hopefully will be after this weekend, I will answer the messages ASAP because I have my phone set to give me a buzzer, a ring, anytime somebody sends me a message. So now I'll know that somebody sent me a message. I can respond to those much faster. Um, that's pretty much, other than that, it's pretty much the course is watch the videos. If you get stuck, um, it's step by step. Look at the lecture notes, um, if you want to, lecture video, and it'll walk you through everything. It's pretty much, I want, my goal is for you to have enjoyable time to learn what you can about the math part. And if you have any questions, ever, period, ever, 24/7, send me a message. And if I'm not otherwise preoccupied, I will respond. And if we have to, then we can always schedule a Zoom meeting. Okay, so, but my schedule, as I have face-to-face classes until around 1 o'clock every day. And on Friday, I have meetings, online meetings, because that's the only time the faculty can get together. So, but if you give me enough warning, a heads up announcement, I will reschedule my meetings so that I can meet with you and answer your questions. Again, if you, I know a lot of y'all work, so if you want me to, you have me over the weekend also. Just tell me, and if I can't answer your question over the Remind app itself, then we could meet and I could walk you through step by step on via Zoom. Or if you want me to, I could make a little small video and then I could just send it to you via Remind as well. So again, that's the whole course. Um, I want you to just have fun, enjoy the stuff, and it's almost impossible to fail because I'm trying to take away the phobia of math that a lot of people have. So just learn it to have fun. And when you get in front of a classroom, remember for elementary school and junior high, they're your audience. You have to have fun with it. You have to play games. You have to do things that are enjoyable. And as I'm sorry, I can't do that online with these because during the face-to-face classes, I like to have games. I like to have activities to show you how we could do that to incorporate the stuff in the learning process. But for this, and that's also why I did that project at the end. So if anybody else has any more questions, then again, feel free to send me a message and I will get back with you as soon as I can. All right. So that's pretty much all there is to talk about is the syllabus and quiz tests. Just send me a message, write register on Remind and send me a message. Um, and I'll give you hundreds for both of those. Oh, but I can tell you about the grades. The grades, what I will do is I will take the average of all the homework assignments. That's going to be 1 grade. The best scores from all your tests, those will be your test grades. I'll drop the lowest test grade. And the final project will count as 2 test grades, as well as and also the syllabus and remind tests. I'll take each one of those and add them up and then divide by how many there's where you have this homework. We have 7 homework assignments, the remind syllabus. So it's divided by 12. Because there are 12 grades. We have 7 homework tests, homework assignments, because we're going to drop the lowest. We have the final project that counts as 2. We have the remind and the syllabus tests. That's 10. And then you have the average of the homework. So that's 11. So it's either 11 or 12. So I'll add up all those points and then divide it by how many we have, and that'll be your grade for the semester. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. So if you have any further questions or anything like that, feel free to get a hold of me, and my time is yours. So is yeah, sorry, I apologize for last time also, is I forgot to press record, which happens to me too many times because I start talking to students, and then when we get started with the lecture, I just forget to hit record, and before I know it, class is over. Happened yesterday with my calculus class. All right, so if there aren't any questions, then I will upload this video and send it to everybody over Remind so you can follow along the course. All right. Thank you all very, very much and have a great semester.